So please share the screen. And,
Yeah, I've already
that,
shared it.
yes, and we need to discuss in advance. No, not here. In advance part. Advance. No, not in a practical. Yes, advance. First, we need to discuss. Today, we need to discuss fixer and hooks. Fixer and hooks. Okay.
Hmm.
So basically, means in your test cases, you require pre and post. Am I right?
Yeah.
Like, this object should be there. Let's say you are running for login on another page. It should be loaded. Then you are able to test. Am I right?
Yeah.
So it's a pre-configuration. Means object should be there. Then you are able to you can say means you are able to perform your test. So that's called fixers.
Yeah.
So and means when we need to run this logic, that's called hook. Okay. So this knowledge is required for reusability, scalability, and write a framework. So that's why we are considering this in our this advanced play script. Okay. Playwright. Please go ahead with this.
Okay, fixture and hooks Playwright. So what is fixtures? Simple definition, fixtures are provide pre-configuration setups, object data environment to your tests. Okay, so objects are the one we will be creating under the class to fetch the other objects and other variables, right?
Yes, let's say pages. Pages are our object which we
Yeah.
created earlier in a e-commerce testing site. Which you can like login is required for test anything. So we make it a page and we are calling the function of that page in our test case rather than writing again and again. So those are objects. Okay.
Okay. So next is hooks. Hooks are defines when to run setup, cleanup, logic before and after tests. When run setup, cleanup logic means it will delete the logic or
No, let's say you created one object, am I right? It's your responsibility. When you're done, you need to clean up. Think of you means you have a party at your home or function at your home. After you can say function, you need to clean up. Am I right?
yeah.
Whatever you can say wastage is there, whatever food or this you need to maintain and clean up your this house.
Yeah. Okay. Think fixture is what you need. Hooks is when you prepare or clean it. Okay. So why engineering need? Without fixtures and hooks, repeated logic code without fixture. Okay. So repeated logic code, manual setup in every test, hard to maintain. With fixtures and hooks, reusable setup, clean test, better scalability. So in the real time analogy, imagine a hotel. Fixtures is room, bed, Wi-Fi already prepared. Hooks, cleaning before check-in and after checkout. You don't set up the room every time. It's already ready. So it is kind of a skeleton. Fixture is kind of skeleton. It's already ready. You have to hooks means you have to serve, clean, and checkout cleaning done.
You need to do
Okay. What I
for every check in or check out.
hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, engineering concept. Fixture is equal to dependencies injection. Inject ready to use objects into tests. Example, page, browser, context. Hooks is equal to lifecycle management. Control execution flow before test, after test, before all, after all. So control execution flow before test.
So let's say you have something which is common for all the tests, am I right?
Yeah.
And which should be exist before and run any test. So you have this hooks called before test. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that object should be there before test, and after test it's now done. Test is done. So yeah, and you need to clean that object so that vanish means it will not created again and again. Am I right?
Yeah.
Whatever we are done, we just clean up. Am I right?
Yeah.
And before all means if you want means rather than means each and every time you are want means before all. When app means any test we run, let's say you have a five test cases are there, and there is some object which you require for all five. Am I right? Then you
Yeah.
go with the before all and after.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So fixtures in Playwright, built-in fixtures. Playwright provides a test example test sync page, await page.photo of example dot. Here asynchronous page will be open. Await page.go example.com website will be opened. And here page is equal to fixture, automatically created and destroyed. Okay. So fixture is a page means it automatically open that web page. If example.com will be open, and once we close, it will close.
So
So
it's
current,
saying means let's say first you need to launch your website, then you are able to test something. Am I right? So in a fixture, we are saying, hey, this will page will load. Am I right?
yeah,
Because to test any website, you need to open that website. Am I right? Let's
correct,
say
yeah,
you are means you are testing something on a one page. Am I right? So
yeah,
that page, every time you are doing this, let's say we need to test on a one page, we need to test 10 items there. I mean, like 10 things are there. I mean, which we need to test. For
yeah,
that means every time means first that you need to load that thing. I mean, right.
mm,
So that's why
correct,
you write that fixture means it will load.
yeah,
Okay.
okay, yeah. And custom fixtures, it is advanced. So import test as base from Playwright test and export constant test extend and logged in page asynchronous page comma use await page go to login page here. First one is go to login page in the app.com. Then user will enter as an admin the page await page dot fill user in the user one you will be filling admin and in the fill pass will be entered as a password and by clicking on that page is login button like dot click will have for the login. Then await use of page pass the test. So this is advanced usage of fixtures. So here page will once you log in it will be get activated. Once the page we await use page uh, when will be destroyed here when the
It
page is
will
closed.
destroy it again. Right now we are discussing the fixture.
Yeah,
Means we are saying hey means for this let's say you are testing a one application which you require login. Am I right? And
yeah,
you are testing a admin flow. Am I
yeah,
right? To
yeah.
do any test, first you need to perform this login.
Mm,
Am I right or wrong?
correct.
So
Here it is.
if you are doing that, then it's your responsibility. It should be available for each and every test.
Mm,
So with the help of this use statement, you are saying, hey, whatever test is there, I am passing this page object there.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, go ahead,
Then
please.
usage is test dashboard as in login page and await logged in page dot clicked and it will open the dashboard. Click on the dashboard. Then key concept use function pass fixture to test. Scope test or worker. Isolation each test gets fresh state. So here use in the sense use function pass fixture to test. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Scope test or worker. Here scope is test because it is open in a base.extend. And isolation each test get fresh state. When it will get fresh state every time when it runs, right?
New test, yes. For each and every test, there is a fresh state.
Okay. So hooks in Playwright, available hooks. Test dot before each asynchronous page console before each test function will run. It will display each test dot before each. Then it will run page console after each test. This message will display. Then test beforeAll run once before all tests will display. Then test afterAll function will run, displaying this message. So here first it will execute beforeAll because
Yes.
before for performing each and every step it will run beforeAll.
So
Then
it depend upon your use cases. If something is there which you want, it should be there before running any test. Okay. Then you
yeah,
go for this. Am I right?
yeah,
And wherever you require means this should be there for each test. So you will
mm,
go with that. You will see in a practical.
yeah. Next it will run before each. Then it will run after each, then after all. Okay. Okay. Fixture versus hooks. Important interview. Fixtures, fixtures, hooks. Purpose provides data resources. Hooks control execution timing. Reusable feature. Fixtures is high and hooks is medium. Injection feature. Fixtures is yes and hooks are no. Use case feature. Login session database. Hook setup and clean. So these are the features it will be supported from features and hooks, right? What is purpose
Sorry.
of the feature? What is the purpose of feature? Where we will be doing it?
So basically, as I told you, where you require a common object.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
say login is a common thing. Am I right? So you
Yep.
will go with that.
Okay.
So paging, load, and another things are required, which are common. Okay. Rather than me doing this repetitive task again and again, you will keep that at once and you reuse that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. So real use cases: login optimization without fixture. Test async page, await login page. Test tail async page, await login page. With
You are
fixture,
able to see with the you're able to see you have let's say 10 test cases are there. You need to repeat this step again and again, login
for
again.
10
Am I
types.
right?
Yeah. Yep.
Yes. But
So with
here you are using with the help of fixer, you will fix that and reuse that. With the
yeah,
help of use, you are passing that. Am I right?
correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next is cleaner plus reusable here. Common mistake using hooks for everything. Use fixture for reusable logic. Not using use in custom features, test won't receive data. Sharing state between tests breaks isolation. Heavy logic in before it slows down tests. Practical test is create a fixture for logged in user. Task 1, task 2, use before each to navigate to home page. Task 3, use after each to take screenshot on failures. Okay. Mini project idea, build e-commerce interview notes.
Okay. You can now, in a practical, we have advanced. Under advanced, you have one code. You can run that code and check that. First, you check that code. Yes.
Yeah.
Practical. Advanced. Yes. First, you can say this. Fixture and hooks. Third. First, third, just run this project. Open this and run this.
Which one? Test result? Test.
No. All is this is a single project, man.
Yeah.
Just right click on that. Open in an integrated terminal. npm i. Please run this in a UI mode.
Okay. This is.
Please
do you
install
want to
this.
update here? Update here?
Yeah. No, not here. This line,
Oh.
this term command, update run. No,
Okay.
in a terminal itself, there is an npm command. You need to run that.
Yeah.
No.
Where did
Earlier,
it go?
open the terminal. First terminal on your window itself. You have two terminals open. You need to select first one. No.
Yeah.
No, go down. Click on that second terminal. No. Yes, this one. Click. Okay, npm. Okay, just open this project again in a terminal. No. Close this. Close this both the terminal.
Yeah, here.
Practical.
Advanced. Playwright and fixtures. Yes. Opening integrated terminal.
Yeah.
Next is npm i.
Yes. Now it will give us a npm i done. Now you need to run with the UI.
npm.
npm. Run.
Run playwright. Fixture.
No, run test. Run test. Colon UI. Test -UI.
Yeah,
-UI. Otherwise, you will check.
Yeah.
Yes. Allow. Are you able to see the UI? I'm not able to see anything.
No, it is opening in terminal only. It is
okay,
not
do one thing. Open this project. Open this project, please. And I think so it's run in a test mode only. Packet.json. Yes. No, this one, yes. So check the scripts.
UI is not there, that's why it didn't open. Edit mode is there, debug mode is there. There is no UI mode.
Okay, just do one thing. Just run a headed one. Go with the headed one. Yes. Headed.
So here npm run test -, headed.
No, not -, colon headed. Copy line number 9 and paste one more time. Hold on. First, check this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to understand this code. Okay. First you can say this. Go to sample website in a code itself. Go to sample website, sample site. Open that. Open this index.html. Index.html.
Test.html. Okay.
Index.html.
Open with live server.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now every test home page is ready for every test. It's asking you to before each hook navigation. Okay. So
Yeah.
because you need to land here, this is a sample page. Okay, go down, and login is required. Am I right?
Yeah.
So first
Login
you
is here.
login. Yes, login first. Login first with the default one.
User
User at
at
the rate test.
um,
Test.com.
6 login. Yeah. Logged in.
Okay. Okay. Now you need to add to cart. Click yes on keyboard as well. No. Yes.
Oh, clear cart. Add laptop to cart, keyboard and mouse. Added.
Okay.
Here it has come.
Okay. Now check this profile as well. Save profile.
Profile saved.
File saved. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you are able to see we have three item in a cart. Am I right?
Yeah.
Click on products. Products is there. Okay. Just
Yeah.
helping us in a single page. We are able to navigate from here and there. Am I right?
Correct. Yeah.
Uh, so these are the you can say think about these are the different pages. Am I right?
Hmm.
Before doing, you need to log in and this thing. So now right click and go to inspect. Go to inspect and analyze something like analyze means what is the structure of this DOM. Okay,
Okay.
so that you can understand the code very well. For
Yeah.
that, I will suggest you go to this JavaScript file. So you
Hmm.
can familiarize with the code rather than inspecting that. Just app.js and server.js. Open those files. So
Hmm.
here you are able to see everything is there. Am I right? We are
Yeah.
means getting the form, login message, am I right? Dashboard from there. You can say IDs. Am I right?
Yep.
And then cart is empty, line number 13.
Yeah.
Okay, and line number you can say 15, we are entering a cart. Means where we are saying, hey, this is content, this is 0, whatever length is there. Am I right?
Hmm.
And you can say cart item, this. Okay, and cart is empty initially. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
cart status is empty. And we are doing that if it's a 0, okay, go down, down. No, not this much. You need to go down slowly so that you can understand. I can explain your code. Close this
Yeah.
terminal part. Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead.
Yeah. First
Yes,
is the cart is list. Items list has been there. For each item, it will display the item.
yes. You are iterating each and every item of the card and rendering that. Right?
Yeah. Then here also when you click on submit, so prevent default page will display, then constant query, then you trim email password, you trim email is equal to login successfully. If these two satisfied, yes, we did that. Success is come. This is hidden class list dot remove hidden. Then welcome regular user. It will give you a message on the header as a text. Then window location dot hash is dashboard. Else invalid credential if you enter wrong password and username. Then it will give error. Then here add event listener click function. Then check class list dot add of hidden. Then logged out successfully. Then login message class name successful and hidden location as home. Then document query selector, add card for each button. When you click card, push the products, then the card will be rendered. Click function card is equal to
Basically, but yes,
Yep.
basically based on a click, we are rendering that, pulling that render cart again and again when we are adding something, am I right? So it
Yep.
will display, add the item in our cart, and you can say display the things. And
Correct.
there is a clear button as well.
Yeah.
In a clear button, what we are doing, we are making this cart empty and re-rendering this cart again.
Yeah.
Down. There is a clear. Down, log out button. This one. Okay. You are clearing the data and doing that. So profile, button event listener, profile message. These are the things. Okay. Now go to server.js file, please. Server.js. Now check this.
Then constant express is equal to require express. Const path is equal to require path. Then constant app is equal to express function is loaded in app variable.
Yeah, this is a Node.js code. Think about this is application code. Okay. Where we are loading our application of a given port. If it's a env file is there, it's taking port number from env file. If not there, then it will take in 3000. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we require URL for test that thing. Now go to a test cases, fixer hook specification dot test file. No, there only. Below, go below. Down, please. Yeah, this one. Open this and check this. This is your own file, which you need to understand very well. Okay.
Yeah. So here import from this let's you started is equal to false and clean is equal to false. It is a variable where you are giving false boolean values here. And test declare playwright fixtures and hooks practice function before all asynchronous, then suit started is equal to true. And page, then it will go by role heading, name as an home page to be visible. This is assertion. It validating after you the home page visible. Then expect page home message to have text. This is also a section. This it will validate this message. Correct, right? To have text to be visible.
Yes.
Then test after each asynchronous page test info. If test info is dot status is not equal to test info dot expected status, then page screenshot will display this one path. This screen will be displayed. Like test info title is equal to repeat.
So basically, we are taking a screenshot as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Which we learn in sequence chapter this. But we are doing this. Means after each and every test, we are taking a screenshot.
Yeah. Okay. For the report, right? And it will display in the report.
Yes.
Okay. Next test is called text.afterAll async function. Suite cleaned is equal to true. Console.log afterAll test suits cleanup completed once. This message will do once after this function is run. Suite include as true, then this message will run. Then test hook async page except suite started out to be trusty. This is assertion.
Truthy.
Ruthie. Yeah. Then to have title is an assertion, to be visible is an assertion. And the page, if you get this, then it will validate as correct because fixture hook store should display. Then here home link will be displayed to be visible. Validation will be done on that link's home link.
Yes.
Title built-in fixture demo. Page fixture opens the sample website on page. And this is the heading you have given. Then now here get by role heading fixtures hook store and to be visible. Fixture hook store name should be visible as an heading when for the get by role
So
function.
you do one thing rather than first going through this code and run this code, run this test cases one by one, so that you can see the output is on a one by one. You understand my point?
Yeah.
For better clarity.
Yeah.
First
Okay.
you check the code if you want to check, otherwise you can run this code one by one.
Yeah.
Rather than running all the test cases and observe the, you can say, your flow.
Yeah. So remaining things I need to comment right first.
No. There is no need to comment that. You need to just mention your test case name only and it will run. You don't need to comment. You
Okay.
understand my point?
Yeah. Text name, this name, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now here we have gone visible pages done. Then this test name is this data fixture demo test user provides login data. Asynchronous test user. Then test user email to be this one, to be this one, and to be this one as a display. The email password once after email and password display name will be a regular user. This will be displayed. And with this is test name asynchronous logged in page await login page by test ID to be visible as a dashboard section. Await expect press page dot welcome message to have text as welcome regular user. And the custom fixture async product page get by role to be visible name product expect product page is equal to have count. So this is assertion and this is assertion product card to have as a count of 3. It will validate the product card. So you should have 3 values there.
Yes.
So to text this
Because
is the name.
on our application we have 3 products are there. And we are testing here. If we click on add item there, means the count should be 3, right?
Yeah. And test feature combination demo login page and test product. Add item to cart async login page await login page get by role button name test product to cart click. So name is adding test product. So why we give dollar symbol here before?
Because it's an expression. Test
Okay.
product is you can say whatever you can say product you selected there, laptop, keyboard, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it need to be displayed in our this as well, cart as
Okay.
well, and we are based on a name, we are identifying that item. I mean,
Yeah.
because it's a dynamic code.
Mm.
You understand my point?
Yeah, yeah. So keep selection will be in dynamic. We select one differently each time. So
Yes. It should be keyboard, it can be keyboard, it can be laptop. Am I right?
yeah.
So rather than doing this, we are passing that dynamically and identify and click them.
Okay, okay. I got it. So await expect login page. Um, Even sometimes for we will pass dollar for page also, right? For example, if you click login page should come or else error page will go.
When you need to do some expression for your this, let's
Mm,
say you have some expression or string concatenation. This is called template literal. Okay.
mm,
Or yes, template literal, where you will say, hey, this is a variable. Before printing the string, or before doing that, before giving the output, we need to validate it and put a value at the place of this variable. Okay, replace this variable with a thing, or you can do a calculation as well. This is JavaScript.
sure. Yeah.
Okay, part of JavaScript.
Then await expect login by test cart count to have text as one. Await expect log page get test ID cart items to contain text as a test products. So this is both are a session while in yeah investigating validating this too. It does have a count of text one and have a test contains text as a test product. Then for the test this isolation demo new start for the previous one. So page awaits cart count to have text as 0. So it should be 0 here to have text as 0. Then cart is empty to have text. So it will display as a 0 text. Here, if you see, where is that? Clear cart. Uh,
Zero on top. Cart is zero.
yeah, cart is 0. Yes, here it is. Yeah, ID is cart count and count is equal to 0. It has displayed as 0 here. Okay. Next is test cleanup demo cart to be cleared product page. So await product page dot get by role button name add keyboard to cart dot click. It will be clicked. Um, await expect of product page dot get by cart count to have text as 1. Okay. Next await product page dot get by role button name clear cart click 0. Click the function and there will be displayed cart count as 0. If the product button is not there, you go to the cart, clear cart. Then cart status to have text as cart is empty. Then test profile test with the login page fixture. Save profile message appears as in login page. So await login page get by role button name save profile get. Then await expect login page that get by test ID profile save message dot to be visible function. Await expect login page get by test ID profile save message to have text profile saved. Then test after all flag remains false during the test and become true only after suit sync. Expect suit cleaned to be falsy. To be falsy is again the assertion.
Yes, yes. So you need to
Okay.
check this test means whatever values should be not there in an
Hmm.
active case. Am I right?
Yep. So shall I run this one? Fixture test script.
No, it's already run. Means you need to now test one by one. let's say your first test case, right? You
Yeah.
need to identify it and run one by one so that you can understand very well. Okay.
Okay. How can we run one by one? Like go
This
parallel.
npm test. Okay.
Yeah.
First, practice. That's it. This npm run test colon headed and your test name. Test name.
Yeah. I'll write first this one. Playwright this. It doesn't. It have a before test suite to be completed once. Copy here and paste here, right?
Yes. Because
Okay.
it's the
So
first one, so it will not doing anything extra.
it is running
Just
all
this.
files because it includes in all files. That's why. Now I'll run this.
Yes.
Okay. Now
It's a hooks only.
okay. This test I can run this
Yes.
test hook
Yes.
demo.
Yes.
See.
Right now you are able to see line number 34 is there. Towards this suit starter should be there. I mean, right? That's why it's passing.
Suit started. Expect a suit started. It has started in all this one in all these files.
Right now, go up, please. So there are two variables. Suit starter in a go up, in a code, new code, please. So go up. So here, suit started, you are line number 7, you are changing the value there. Correct?
Okay.
So when you are changing this value, because you can say your this fixer, am I right? You are fixing some value. And if you can use this value again for your this, that's why it's a truthy, because in a before or, am I right? You set that. In a hook, you set that value. Am I right?
Yep.
And when you're checking that it's there, that's why you're able to test that. Am I right? Truthy part is working. Go ahead. Go down, please.
That's the reason it is running all the.
Yes, expect line number 34. Check the
34 or 39. Yeah.
34.
34 just now run, right? This one by
Yes,
name.
yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, it has run all again once again.
Do one thing, copy this code, copy this line number 33. This test name, please. Test name. And this npm test, change this, change this.
Colon headed, right? Headed
Added.
and control V. Hooks demo. Yeah, it is running all again. Again 10 passed. Oh, we'll try this one.
I think with this, Due to hooks and fixes, maybe it's behaving like this way. Okay, no worries.
npm run test
Test
colon.
only. Go for test only. Go for test
Yeah,
only. Header is not required.
yeah,
Test one
yeah.
also work.
39 line. I'm going 39. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, headed, right? Test headed.
Without header, you can also go ahead. And now, without header, it will not show you the UI.
Yeah.
That's only different. No, it's running all the.
This also 10 passed. It is running all tests. It's not running single test.
Okay, do one thing. Open our earlier project. Close this advanced. Close this advanced. No,
What's it?
advanced folder. Advanced folder.
Yeah.
Go to basic. And you can simply write this e-commerce action practice, playwriter action practice. Open that project, action practice. Okay, open in a terminal. Right click
Which?
on this project. Right click on
Okay.
this project. Open in an integrated terminal. Yes.
Mm,
Now go to open the test files.
mm,
Go up
mm.
to test. Yes.
Actions.
Yes.
Open in integrated terminal.
No. Open. Double click this file.
Yep.
Now you do one thing. You need to run this one. No. Line number 9. Copy that click action. Use the login one. That's
Mm.
one. Now you need
Yeah.
to run this individually.
npm
I first. I there.
npm
Okay. There is no need to. npm run on. npm run.
run test
Test.
run headed.
Without header, you can go without header. That's not it.
Oh, okay.
No.
Mm.
Go back, please. This is
Oh, this will go for 9 times.
okay. Okay, without header, go without header, please.
Okay.
Just test on.
Okay.
All are failing. I think
Mm.
you need to run this npx. Control C here.
Yep.
npx,
Oh.
playwright install. It's there.
Mm. Yeah, it's there already.
Yes. Okay, now go with the test only.
Okay. npm run test and control V. Click action. This is the one, right?
Yes. Now it's running. Okay, check on internet how you can run a single test.
Okay.
Single test in a playwright.
Or dot only. So if you write a test dot only, then it will run only one test. And here, on this page, minus G test name or this one. Okay, we'll write this one, -G.
Okay.
And try that command there. Control C here.
-G.
Yeah, -G shape.
Okay, go there. Go back to your this terminal.
Yeah.
Go back to your terminal. Go back to our project, today project, hooks, fixer and hooks. And with the help of -G, try to run our one of this.
Okay. So here hooks, here advanced, you have a Playwright Fixtures and Hooks. Here open it, then go to that Playwright, no, not configuration. Which test it should go test? Yeah, this one, right?
No, right now here only. Yes.
Here.
Just try with the this G1 -G.
Yeah, in PXG. So test name should be built-in Control-C. And enter. Yeah, correct. Just one.
Okay, you can try with the only line number 39 or anything.
That's not only.
Now run test command only. Without this, yes, without name, without G. First you need to save. It's not saved.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, it's saved now. One minute, I'll take a sync. Now it is all saved. Okay. Now again I'll run. Yeah. Cool. It run only one, which is custom. Yeah. beforeAll.
In this manner you can test and play around with the things. Okay. And because you are doing on your local, so it will not interrupt.
Correct. Yeah.
You can try with your own real coder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All good. Thank you. And yeah, you can stop recording. I want Microsoft Office